So every year around Halloween, the sky puts on this dazzling fireworks show thanks to the torrid meteor shower. Or, as the hype machine calls it, the Halloween fireballs. Yeah, spooky name. Like the cosmos is trying to set the mood with some fiery pyrotechnics. These meteors come from debris left behind by a comet called Enki, which just casually orbits the sun every 3 years, shedding dust and rocks like a messy roommate. Now here's the twist. Scientists recently dug deeper into this torrid meteor stream and found there might be a swarm of bigger, chunkier space rocks hanging out in there, just waiting for their moment to shine, or, potentially wipe out a city or two. The years 2032 and 2036 are pegged as the spooky seasons when this swarm might swing close to Earth. Cue the dramatic music. Research led by this guy, Mark Boslow, who sounds exactly like the name you'd expect from a planetary defense professor, suggests that while the usual torrid meteors are harmless, but pretty flashy, these larger objects could potentially cause an airburst or even an impact. The airburst, if you forgot, are basically explosions in the sky that can still do some serious damage, like the Tunguska event in 1908 Siberia, which knocked down a forest the size of a small country, and was probably the planetary equivalent of a freaked-out fart in a cosmic wind. Before you start building a fallout bunker or buying diamond-encrusted helmets, Boslow is quick to point out the probability is still very low. It's like worrying about winning the lottery but still buying a ticket just in case. These space chunks will be monitored by telescopes, especially when they make their close approach, so we won't be caught completely off guard, hopefully. What's wild is the 2032 flyby will come from Earth's night side, so if something explodes, it might be more noticeable. 2036 pass, though, comes from the direction of the sun, meaning any fireballs might be practically invisible unless they're absolutely blinding. So this baby might sneak up on us, like a cosmic ninja. Long story short, the Halloween fireballs tend to be harmless bits of cosmic debris lighting up the sky to make your costume party look cooler. But the idea that a hidden swarm of larger rocks might be lurking adds a genuine spice of sci-fi thriller to it. Still, scientists are on top of it, with all sorts of international planetary defense nerds tracking these things and figuring out how not to get vaporized. So yeah, next time you're out watching the Halloween fireworks, just remember, some of those fireballs might be little monster rocks from space, casually cruising by and reminding us that the universe really likes to keep things interesting. And if you see something bigger in 2032 or 2036, maybe duck or something. That's your chill cosmic PSA. Stay spooky, but don't panic just yet. If you want to catch the show this year, find a dark spot away from your phone and city lights. The southern torrids peak around November 4th to the 5th in 2025, and the northern torrids peak at around November 11th and 12th, 2025. But don't bother staring at your screen waiting for Armageddon, because we might have a decade or so to sort this one out.